Come on, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dang it. One. No. No. 1, 2, go. Oh, are you kidding me? 1, 2, go. 1, 2. Son of a fuzzy pickle. Yes, fuzzy pickles did it. The fuzzy pickles did it. It made you feel stupid as a kid. I'll look up the outfits. There are the characters in a bit, so you could see. Dawn and Tomoe might come up properly, but she usually takes some work to find. But I loved she. I used to read those comics all the time when I was in high school. I loved she. Hey Rob, how you doing tonight? Scarlet. I'm glad you're doing well, Rob. Third time's a charm, Scarlet. Third time's a charm. Scarlet might miss you a little too much when you're away. Are you going away? Or do you mean when you were away from yesterday? I don't know why I saw an O and not a T. Silly Scarlet. This way. Never mind. Let's go the other way. Shinra soldiers. I'm gonna start saying those as fuzzy pickles. What the hell's going on? When I'm not in the stream. Shall I say this when I show up? No, actually. Tango is a sneeze. It has been confirmed as a sneeze. She's like, ha! That's what's going on. A trap. President Shinra? Why is the president here? She all must be... What was it? Avalanche. Don't you forget it. So you're President Shinra, huh? Long time no see, sir. Long time no see. Oh, you. You're the one who quit Soldier and joined Avalanche. I knew you'd be exposed to Mako from the look in your eyes. Tell me, traitor. What's your name? Cloud. Forgive me for asking, but I can't be expected to remember everyone's name. Unless you become another Sephiroth. Ah, Sephiroth. He was brilliant. Perhaps too brilliant. I can't tell you otherwise. Hey, the creator of the emote has said it's a sneeze. Sephiroth? Don't give a damn about none of that. This place is going up with a bang soon. Serves you alright. Oh, Scarlet, you've never heard Meow say it's a sneeze? She has said several times it's a sneeze. And such a waste of good fireworks just to get rid of vermin like you. vermin? That's all you can say? Vermin? General the vermin for killing the planet. Guess that'd make you King Vermin. So shut up, jackass. You are beginning to bore me. I'm a very busy man, so if you'll excuse me, I have a dinner I must attend. She is known to lie 80% of the time. Well, I still, if she lies so much, can we trust that it's 80% of the time that she lies? Because she's the one that said she lies 80% of the time. That number could be higher, that number could be lower. Just how much do we trust her? Dinner? Don't give me that. I ain't even started with you yet. But I made arrangements for a playmate for you all. What's that noise? The hell is that? Meet Airbuster, a techno-soldier. Our weapon development department created him. I'm sure the data he'll extract from your dead bodies will be of great use to us in future experiments. Techno-soldier? Now then, if you'll excuse me. Wait, President! Yo, Cloud, we gotta do something about him. We gon' die, 'cause I don't think we're at full health. Help, Cloud! This is from Soldier? No way, it's just a machine. I don't care what it is, I'm gonna bust him up. But yeah, I mean, we all know better, the Tango thing, but Meow has said several times, like jokingly, that it's a sneeze. It's nothing dirty, it's just a sneeze. Miss, yeah. Good job missing. Okay. So, we'll do that. I'm gonna use bolts. How did your favorite group get around my feet sensors? So what they ended up doing is they put the camera on the face of the guy that was giving the massage, and they put a microphone at the feet of the guy that was getting the massage, because he was using, like, the other guy was using a lotion, so like, okay, we want to make sure you could hear the lotion and stuff rubbing around. And they were actually having a lot of fun with it. They were joking, because when the guy first started, like he put the guy's foot up on his lap, and then everybody could see his feet. What? What just happened? What happened? Okay. I guess we beat it. So he put the guy's foot up on his lap, and then you could see his foot in the camera, and then like everybody, because there's a whole bunch of people like, whoa, 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 move that camera, get that foot out of the shot. We can't show this. It's bad. Like, it's funny. It's gonna blow. Let's go, Tifa. Barrett, can't you do something? Not a damn thing. Cloud, please don't die. You can't die. There's still so much I want to tell you. I know, Tifa. Hey, you gonna be alright? We'll be strong. You worry about yourselves, I'll be alright. Take care of Tifa. Alright, sorry about all this. Stop talking like this is the end. Okay, hold on. had so much fun watching their stream, but Danny had to keep leaving, so I didn't get to see his pretty face very much or hear his wonderful voice. You alright? Can you hear me? Yeah. Back then, I only got scraped knees. What do you mean by back then? What about now? Can you get up? What do you mean by back then? What about now? Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself now. I'll try. Oh, it moved. How about that? Take it slow now, little by little. Hello? Hello? I know. Hey, who are you? Hello? Hello?